do a quick discussion. If you like recorded like the beats while you were like discussing stuff or whatever, right? But at the end of the day, right, I play my tunes like pretty loud, right? So it should be like get in dubstep, get like you know what, right? I play my tunes pretty loud. They're just to call themselves, yeah, we're pretty loud and stuff like that, and they'll get like whatever like the loudness vibes or whatever, like yeah, like that's a sponsorship deal. He plays the tunes pretty loud, but like I mean, it needs to go through like he doesn't play the tunes on any other volume, by the way, for like 4.5 years and stuff. Like all this shit is like they're just kind of like, oh yeah, now we just got sponsored and like just like shut your whole shit down like you went bankrupt or something, right?